Right, and you'll notice that there's not a whole lot of fun stuff going on. This doesn't look like something that is very interesting to people who may have joined this class because they are interested in performing, or developing games or web applications. But I mean, imagine if instead of if name equals Nelson, this said if your health is less than zero, and then instead of saying console.writeLine, it said blow up your character. I mean, you can see that the logic that we're writing here and we're learning how to write is going to be applicable to every sort of application of C Sharp, whether that be game development or web development. We're just in the console because there's no overhead. There's nothing else that we need to explain. Console.writeLine is pretty straightforward.